back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q. Before y'all say anything, yes, I know I have been gone for like, I think by the time this is up, maybe 2-3 weeks, I believe, but I honestly needed to take a break because I was doing a lot was happening, and you know, it was like midterms time and your girl was trying to focus on that. So I just decided to take like a little small break, nothing too major, because I'm back. Well, I feel like my voice sounds weird, but yeah, I'm back and I'm better than ever. So yeah, I'm going to be giving y'all a productive day in my life because I actually enjoy doing these, like the vlog style stuff, and I have a lot to do, a lot I need to get done. So I've actually been up prior to filming, but I had an exam this morning that I almost missed. Woke up like 10 to 15 minutes, no, like 20-25 minutes before that. I was supposed to be up since like 6 something, but I didn't get up till like 7:30. So there's a lot going on, a lot I gotta fill y'all in. So actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and talk a little bit because it's currently 9:10 and I don't have class again until 1:40. But y'all, the class I just took that exam for, actually struggling like really bad in the class. The class is a lot harder than I expected it to be, and we just took the midterm for that class. So we have until Friday to drop the classes with a W. So I'm actually going to talk to my advisor, who's actually the professor of the class, and I'm just straight up ask her, like, do you think I should drop the class? Do you think I'll be able to pull through and get the grade that I want? Do you think, like, what do you recommend for me to do? What's the best option? Because I would hate to stay in the class and take an F or a D and then I still have to retake it again, or you know, I could just drop it and take it next semester. Plus I probably have an extra semester anyways because of one class. So I have to talk to her and figure all that out anyways. So yeah, I do that at 10 o'clock for her office hours. I'm actually going to see if she's available to meet earlier than that because I really want to know now what to do. She might just say, I'll grade your exam and, you know, let you know from there what you need to do, but we gonna see. Other than that, today is Tuesday, so it's really one of my chill days because I only have 2 classes. There's a big gap. So Tuesdays and Thursdays I try to get most of my work done and my planning done and all that. So I'm actually gonna go to the library. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the library. I'm gonna go to the library before my class at 1:40, and then I'll just stay in there for my class. And I have to go there, I have to study, do some homework, take some notes, all that. Yeah, so it's gonna be a productive day for me and for y'all because y'all here with me. Okay, so as y'all can see, I've gotten ready, did a little something to my hair, and a little update. So I was supposed to meet my professor for her office hours at 10 o'clock. It's currently 10:30 and she's not on there. She has not called me back yet, so I'm just about to go ahead and head to the library just because I do still have a lot of stuff to do as far as homework, studying, and then coming back and like doing stuff in here. So just decided to go ahead and get dressed, and I guess whenever she gets on, I'm gonna give her until like close to 12 because that's when it's over, and then I'm gonna send her a chat again or go by her office, even though she says it's supposed to be on Teams now, but she ain't responding and I need to know what to do. So yeah, that is currently where we are, but I'm just about to go ahead and get this work done because I need to do good on my bio exam tomorrow. So yeah, I just got to the library and it's currently 11:34, but let me tell y'all, so when I got to campus I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to her actual office to see if she's there, and that's how she's doing them, and she's not on Teams or whatever. And I went there and she's not there, like light is off, and it says on there that her office hours is from 10 to 12. So yeah, I don't know, she hasn't called me back on Teams, she hasn't responded to my chat, and it says she is currently offline. So yeah, I don't know, and we only meet in this class once a week, so I'm probably not going to hear from her until next Tuesday if I don't hear from her before then. She said she wasn't going to take long to grade them, but you just never know. But right now, like I said, it's 11:35 and I already went ahead and printed out my exam 2. Now this is a little long, it's a little lengthy, but I really need to get on this exam tomorrow. So I brought my textbook, I have my notes online, the notes that I take in class. So I'm honestly just about to go through this practice exam and actually try to go through and answer the questions to see what I know and what I don't know. He put the answer key online, so once I finish that, I'll check the answers, and then I'm just going to keep reviewing and studying what I don't understand, and then practice my essay questions because I think it's like 3 or 2 They had, I think, like 3 or 2 random essay questions, so we're just about to go ahead and do that. So y'all, it's actually 106, and I told y'all I was gonna stay in there till 140, but we have to keep our mask on even in like the study rooms, even if we're by ourselves, and I'm literally like suffocating right now. Like, it's too hot. I've been here for what, like 2 hours, and I'm starving. So I'm about to go to Taco Bell real quick, get me something to eat, and then go back to my dorm for my class, because I can't. I just can't. I can't. It's literally hot as heck with this thing on. Y'all, I have not been on campus at all, like, lately, and this walking is killing me. Plus, I've been gaining a lot of weight, so from eating and stuff a lot, and your girl is tired. So that's another thing too. Like, I gotta start looking into getting back in the gym. I think I said it in my last vlog, but I'm gonna start going to the gym on campus, or at least like walking the track or something, cause Jesus, I'm out of breath. I should not be this tired from walking. But I'm driving, so I'm gonna stop vlogging right now, because you know I should not be vlogging and driving. So yeah, I just see y'all when I get to Taco Bell and get my food, or back to my dorm or whatever. High-key upset because I literally was rushing, thinking based on her stuff on Moodle, we was gonna be doing work. No, it's currently 2:07 and class is over. Class started at 1:40 on the dot, and class is not supposed to be over till 3 o'clock basically, and we're done. She literally just went over everything that was on Moodle that we could have read ourselves. So yeah, that's it. So right now I'm honestly about to eat my Mexican pizza that I got from Taco Bell. If y'all never had it, go try it. I'm putting y'all on with hot sauce. It's so good. I'm about to eat that. And then I also need to wash all of these clothes I have behind me and clean my car. So this is going to be like my brief intermission, like my break or whatever. Not really a break, but it's other stuff I need to do that's not related to school. So yeah, I'm about to do that, and then after I come back I'm gonna be doing more homework and stuff after that. But yeah, my main thing is cleaning these clothes and putting them up and washing my car, because yeah, it's a hot mess. wash my car, clean my clothes. Well, my clothes are still in the dryer, but the last bit, they're still in the dryer. So I've done that. And right now it's currently 4:09. So I'm actually doing great with time and whatnot. I do still have to study for bio, of course, because I ain't studied that long. But I have to study for bio, do my math lab stuff for my one of my math classes, and then I have to plan some other stuff because my teachers decided to go through and, you know, add more stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and do that. I want to hurry up and get my math lab done just because, well, actually I need to check when that is due because I might just focus all of my attention on studying for bio. So we're gonna see. But it's homework time and studying time, so let's go ahead and get to it. It is now 6:31. I don't even remember what time I started this stuff, and I was going through my essay prompt questions and I did all besides the first one, and I'm kind of scared because compared to the last test, he took the first one, but these are all the other ones that I did, so hopefully he goes with those. Some of them we have to actually draw pictures, well, only 2 of them, so I know for a fact those are going to be 1 and I have both of those complete. But I honestly feel like he's probably going to access the first one again. So I asked in like our bio study group chat or whatever to see if anybody got it. So they've been doing terrible like with responses lately. So hopefully they do respond. For this stuff, I just need my answers so I can put it in there and not take too much time and focus on the multiple choice. Now I need to figure out what I'm about to eat for dinner because I'm actually about to take a quick break from doing this. Because I decided I'm going to do my math homework tomorrow. And part of me low-key wants tacos again. But I don't want to drive all the way to Taco Bell, so I'm thinking I might go to the store and get some ground beef because I do have like taco shells and stuff and cheese and tomatoes and all that to make tacos. So I think I might do that. Now let's see, do I want to do that or like, I don't know what I want to do. 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 I don't know what I do. Like, part of me wants tacos, but then again I don't want tacos, but then again I don't know. But then again, McDonald's is right there and I can get something from there and call it a day. I think I'm gonna either go to McDonald's or I'm gonna go to the store and get some ground beef and McTacos. I don't know yet, y'all will see later, but I don't know. Those tacos earlier were really good, but I don't feel like driving all the way back to Taco Bell. Y'all, Taco Bell is like 15 minutes away. Well, there was traffic, so probably like 10, but I don't feel like driving that far. McDonald's is like 5 minutes away, and then the store is like 7-8 minutes. So we'll see. Y'all see in the next clip. We just finished flexi riding my hair for tomorrow, so I actually already went and got food too, and I actually already ate it. But you know, yeah, I decided on McDonald's, and y'all, after that I just decided that tomorrow I'm starting to work out. I know people be like, you should start on a Monday, you start on a Sunday, something like that, but at this rate I honestly just need to go ahead and start tomorrow, y'all, because it's ridiculous. Like, I have never been this big before. Like, I feel like maybe I'm being a little dramatic, but then again, for me, I've never seen myself this big before. So yeah, I'm bringing Jetta and Shia along with me to work out because hopefully that'll bring me like a little bit more motivation. I know y'all know before I was working at Planet Fitness, but now I canceled that and I'm actually just gonna start working out outside. Typically, from what I've seen, not a lot of people outside and people are typically in the gym, so we're gonna try that out starting tomorrow. Yeah, I will update y'all on that. Right now, like I said before, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish studying for my bio exam tomorrow. I have to go over the Quizlet, the questions that's on there, like the definitions and terms and all that stuff. And that's basically my day in my life. I'm just end it here because I know for a fact y'all are tired of seeing me studying probably. Also, like I told y'all in the beginning, I am back and I am better. So the videos are going to be coming. The vlogs, day in the life, week in my life, productive day, whatever y'all want to see, y'all can do that too, but it's all coming. It's all here. So period. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Get Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together, period. And I'll see you guys in the next video.